In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hanging indents in Google Docs. A hanging indent is when the first line of a paragraph stays flush with the left margin and every line after it is indented. It's commonly used for bibliographies, reference lists, and citations, and it keeps long entries easy to scan. Let's walk through the quickest way to set this up in Google Docs. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to work on from your drive. Once the document is open, select the text where you want the hanging indent to appear. You can highlight a single paragraph, a group of citations, or an entire section. The change will only apply to what you've highlighted, so make sure you include all the paragraphs you want to format. Next, head to the top menu and click Format. In that menu, hover over Align and Indent to reveal more options, then choose Indentation options. This opens a small settings window where you can precisely control how your paragraph indents behave. In the Indentation options window, look for the field labeled Special Indent. Click that drop down and select Hanging. When you choose Hanging, an entry field appears to set the depth of the indent. Many academic styles use half an inch as the standard, but you can adjust this to fit your needs. If you're formatting a reference list, that half-inch setting is usually perfect. After choosing hanging and confirming the indent depth, click Apply. Your highlighted paragraphs will instantly update so that the first line sits at the margin and the remaining lines indent to the right. If you don't see a change, double-check that your text was highlighted before opening the menu. You can always press undo if you want to roll back the change and try again. Couple of quick tips as you work. If you need this formatting on multiple non-adjacent sections, apply the same steps to each section separately. If your text also uses bullet points or numbering, make sure you're applying the hanging indent to regular paragraphs, not list formatting. And if you ever want to remove a hanging indent, go back to Format, Align and Indent, open indentation options, set special indent to none, and apply. That's all there is to it. Open your document, highlight your paragraphs, go to Format, Align and Indent, choose indentation options, set special indent to hanging, pick your indent depth, and click Apply. Your document will look cleaner and more professional in seconds.